welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I don't really have a cookbook recipe for you guys today, but I do have a recipe. It's a bread one. Woo! What bread are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making pretzels. I wrote it down. I guess that's the best. Dun dun! We're making pretzels. This is specifically from the kitchen. I have added the link to the recipe that I'm using today in the description down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you're more than welcome to right down there. We're gonna make pretzels today. I've always wanted to try making pretzels for like ever, and I love eating them. So here we are. So yay! Have you guys ever tried making pretzels before? I don't know. Bread, as I always say, bread is so intimidating, and pretzels absolutely on that list. And if I can learn how to make them, that would be a game changer. I would eat it all the time. Well, I don't know. It depends how much work it is, and then maybe I would eat it all the time. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. What if it like goes bad? Anyway, the only time that I've ever heard anyone in my personal life talk about making pretzels is one time, and they ended up making it bad. So it also makes me a little nervous that I'll end up making it bad as well and have it taste bad and etc. etc. But I don't know, I guess we'll see how it goes. What better way to challenge myself than to just try, right? I don't know. But anyway, yay, we're making some pretzels today. It doesn't really require that many ingredients, and there's also only 11 steps. But as always with bread, we do have a little bit of a waiting time, which I think ends up being like the longest part, but that's okay. That's okay. We're getting it down. So, and I also got this like really fancy mixer recently, and like, look, it has dough hooks, so I'm really excited to try this and see if it works. I mean, sometimes like the recipes call for like a stand mixer. I'll stand it and hold it and see if it ends up being like a thing. I don't know, I've always wanted to try using one of these too, so boom, we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it goes, and if I regret it or not, I don't know. It's scary. Yeah, I'm really hoping that it ends up going well. Fingers crossed, because that would be so cool. That'd be so fun. That would be fantastic. And if it doesn't, that's okay. I tried. And honestly, I'll try again if it ends up failing. It's just one of those things, you know? I don't know. I'm hoping it doesn't end up taking too long. I was looking over the recipe, and it looks like I think it's gonna probably end up taking like maybe 3 hours at most. It's currently 11:53. I guess we'll see how long it ends up taking. Let me show you guys everything that we need for today's recipe and then get started. And here are all of the ingredients.
Wow, not too much.
Okay, so now that we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. But it only has 11 steps, and I was reading through them, and they don't seem too bad. The part that I think that's going to go slightly astray is shaping the pretzels themselves, which is like the biggest thing. But we'll cross that bridge and we'll get there. I don't know, I'm feeling really hopeful. We've made quite a few things of bread already, so I am a little bit more comfortable-ish, but not really, you know? So, I mean, more willing to try making pretzels. I'm really hoping it's gonna go well. Like, I'm positive it's gonna go well. And if it doesn't, that's okay too. I don't know. It doesn't exist. I don't know. It doesn't seem like a lot. Like I said earlier, the part that I'm the most nervous about is like shaping them, which I hope I do an okay job at shaping them, twisty turny and stuff. So I guess we'll find out here in just a moment. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and read everything that we have to do. Combine warm water and yeast and let stand a few minutes, then stir to dissolve the yeast. Add 2.5 cups of the flour, sugar, and salt. Stir with a stiff spatula to form a shaggy dough. Knead the dough 5 minutes with mixer on low speed. Okay, I don't think this is kneading it very well. I'm gonna just... If very sticky after 1 minute, add flour, 1 tablespoon at a time until it forms a ball. Alternatively, knead for 5 to 7 minutes. The dough is finished when it is soft, slightly tacky, and holds a ball shape. Okay. Good enough. Jesus Christ. Clean out bowl and fill with oil. Return dough to the bowl. Cover and let it rise somewhere warm until the dough is doubled in bulk, about 1 hour. Oh my god! Turn dough out and slightly flour work surface.
Oh, Hanabi, it's family. Come on.
Divide into 8 pieces. One at a time, roll into a long skinny rope against the counter. Aim for 20 inches long. If it shrinks back, come back to it later and let rest a little longer. Lift the ends of the rope towards the top of your work surface and cross them. Cross them one more time and make a twist, then fold the twist back down over. Oh my god! It looks like it. Holy crap. What? Oh my god! Oh my god, it looks like it. Holy shit, holy shit! Oh my god, I cannot! Okay, that's cool. Okay, next one. Set pretzel on parchment baking sheet and shape rest of the pretzels. After all are shaped, set aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and place in the middle bottom. When pretzels are puffy, measure 8 cups into a large pot over high heat. Make sure it's a big pot because of the baking soda. Bring water to simmer, then add baking soda and dark brown sugar. Stir to dissolve. Lower 2 to 3 pretzels into the water bath, as many that will fit without crowding. Simmer for 30 seconds, then use a slotted spoon to flip. Wait another 30 seconds, then scoop out onto a baking sheet. Brush with egg wash and sprinkle salt. Bake until golden brown, 12 to 15 minutes. Okay. I've been resisting every urge to take a little peeky, so oh my god, it's time. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. It smells good. It smells great, actually. Okay, let's look. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm cool. Oh my god! Dude, do you see this? Do you? Oh my god, I'm screaming. Dude! Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god, they oh my god! Are you joking me? Dude, holy crap. What? What? Brother, what? Brother, what? Oh my god. Oh my god. Literally, do you see they look so ugly, but like also pretzel. They look like pretzel. Holy shit. I'm like losing it. Oh my god, I might have salted it too much. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I cannot contain my excitement right now. Oh my god. Okay. I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm collected. Dude, they fucking look like it. Okay, anyway. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, they look like pretzels. Okay. I transferred to a cooling rack. They are good for up to a day. Do you see this? Oh my god. A moment of silence for, what's the word? Appreciation. Amazing. Oh my god, what do you mean? These hands. Oh my god. Why do it taste like crap? Alright, and here's the reveal. They're so cute! Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. I got the ugly one because, like, of course, and then I have, like, the other one, but okay, let's try it. I'm nervous. It looks so busted. Here's how the bottom looks like. Busted. It's super chewy. I don't know if I cooked it long enough. It tastes pretty good though. Oh look. I think it's still a little raw. I think I'll throw it back in the oven. Continues to eat it. Can you die from it? What? Oh my god, it tastes so good though. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in the oven. I'm gonna still eat this one though. It tastes great. Maybe like a couple more minutes. I did for like 14. For like 12 to 15 minutes. That wasn't that bad. I can't ignore this though. Eat it. I don't know if my tummy's gonna hurt because I ate it like that. I'm sure it's fine, right? I'm not gonna look it up. It's gonna be like a WebMD situation. I don't want to do that to myself. I think that's good enough, honestly. Now I feel like I did it for too long. It looks good though. It's so hot. Like me. No, I'm just kidding. Let's take a bite. Another bite. Because it's hot. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I'm not sure. I don't know, brother. I know it's a little hot. I don't care. It tastes good. Good enough. I'm sure when it cools down, it'll be fine. Mission success. I think it turned out great. Oh my god, we did it. Can you? I made pretzels, dude! Oh my god! Oh my god. This has been on my like to-do list for years and years and years and eons. No, I'm just kidding. But like for real, oh my god. And it turned out okay. Like, okay, maybe a little overfunctioning, but whatever. But we won't focus on the details. Oh my god! I'm just so happy with how they turned out. They ended up looking like pretzels. I didn't end up really messing up too much. I feel like, I don't know, that first pretzel it's fine. Like, you know? Because all the other ones after that turned out fine. So, whatever. It worked out. Are you kidding me? Are you joking me? It worked out. Wow. Oh my god. I can make these at home. I can be like, oh my god, I feel like making pretzels. I can custom. Dude. Jalapeno cheddar pretzels. Oh, oh, oh my god. The possibilities are endless, dude. Oh my god, dude, oh my god. This is the best thing that I have made from bread so far. There have been so many bread recipes that I have been trying throughout this entire time, and this is the one that I am like the most proud of. Even if it wasn't perfect. Like, I'm just so happy with it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, yay! Oh my god. And I was also craving pretzels for like a couple weeks. So it's like, yeah. I don't know, I'm just happy about it. I don't know if you can tell. Oh my god, I made pretzels. Oh my god. Would I make this again? Yes. I want to customize that. I want to try different kinds. I want to like, oh my god, I want to go crazy. I'm going to go crazy with it. Make dessert pretzels. Ooh, that might be too much for Elmo actually. But oh my god, there we go. What did you guys think of the video? Do you guys like pretzels? I am personally a very big pretzel fan. I love pretzels so much. I can eat them for days on end, but bread makes you fat, so don't eat it that often. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. What did you guys think of it? Did you guys have a good time? If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and or a comment, whatever you're feeling, man. Do you guys have any like bread goals, or is there anything that you have been like the most proud of to try for like bread, or just anything in general? What is the like something that you've been the most proud of, or something that you're happy that you tried or something? I don't know. Tell me about it. I'm all ears. Well, I guess it's a comment. I'm all eyes. I'll read it. One of my biggest worries was like not following the instructions correctly on the pretzel. But the first time that like whenever I twisted it over, like brought it down, it looked like a pretzel immediately. Are you kidding me? It was like witchcraft, dude. It was like, oh my god. I was like, oh my god. These hands. So I guess I was worried for nothing, but I mean, I'm just a little worried, so whatever. But but I want to thank you guys. I'm just really happy. Like, oh my gosh, it's just wow, 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 wow. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.